Hi there and welcome to this video where I will explain how can you summarize your PDF file with the help of Copilot. Yes, you can easily summarize your large PDF file with the help of Microsoft Copilot. What you have to do, just head over to the Copilot and upload your PDF file. As you can see, I have this file ready in my computer. Let me give you a look of it. So basically, this PDF file belonged to my bank transaction which I have done with my friend. And it's now hard for me to summarize how much transactions I have done and how much money I sent. So I will get the help of Microsoft Copilot, and Copilot will summarize each and single transaction. So now let's head over to the Microsoft Copilot. For getting access of Copilot, once your browser will be open, take a look on the right top, you will see this icon. Click on it, it's called Copilot. Once it will be open, no need to write anything, simply click on this plus icon and tap on the option upload. Then your computer, or whether you're using your mobile phone, gallery will be open and simply upload your PDF file. So let me do it. Here you can see I upload my PDF file, you can see the format. Now here you have to write a message to the Copilot. So write like I am writing. Because my PDF file belong to transaction, so that's why I mention transaction. Once you write your, hit on this arrow. And here you can see below is the summary of my PDF. Your account started with the balance of, it was the balance of my account, and below it summarizes each and single thing about my transaction. So using this way you can summarize your PDF with the help of Copilot, and it will summarize each and single thing in simple words so you can understand betterly. And that's it.